Good evening, friend. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. I want to discuss over a topics rusting. We all know that iron is a metal which symbol is F and atomic number is 26. It is a very usable metal because all the properties of the metal are found in iron in very large scale. It can bear the heavy load. It is also tensile, malleable, and many more properties of metals, like it has the high density, high melting and boiling point, conductor, and many more properties are present in iron articles. But there is a major problem when we let the iron articles in open air. It reacts with the oxygen in air and water and form the product like iron oxide, which get spread over the iron articles all around it. It makes the thick layer of iron oxide on iron body, and it is brown in color and porous in nature. So the formation of iron oxide over the iron articles continuously goes on. What happened with iron articles, you know it very well. The iron oxide, whose molecular formula is Fe2O3, began to eat up the iron articles slowly and continuously. After some time, the heavy iron body gets changed into dust of iron oxide. The rusting are also found in some other metals like zinc, copper, aluminum, but the oxide of these metals are rigid. Once the oxide or sulfide is formed, no further oxidation takes place with that other metals, but it is just opposite with the iron articles. The oxidation is continuously going on with iron articles, and formation of iron oxide over the iron articles means it is being gradually eaten up. So after a few years, the heavy iron body now completely destroyed. In this process, 1,000 tons of iron are get wasted every year. So the rusting of iron put our society in damage in large scale at every year. But what we should do in this case? There are some precaution, there are some way by which we can save the iron articles. That is, we should paint the iron articles with the deep color so that air could not be able to come in contact with the iron body. This deep color painting, what it does with the iron articles, it does not allow air and water to come in contact with the iron body. So there is no chance of formation of iron oxide, formation of rusting. Rusting means a thick layer of iron oxide is get ride on iron articles. But when we cut off the contact of iron body from the air and water, no oxidation is formed. But air contains the water molecules, either it is dry or moisture. It means if we keep the iron articles in open air or in dry air, formation of iron oxide, I mean happening of rusting, goes very slowly. But when we keep the iron articles in damp air, the formation of iron oxide or rusting goes rapidly, because damp air contain both of these things, oxygen and water. So in damp air, formation of iron oxide or rusting on iron particles goes rapidly. So it is advised we should take precaution before using the iron articles in our practical life, because in our practical life there is a great use of iron articles, like construction work, like construction in building, bridge, railway track, railway body, other vehicles body, small articles which we use in our home, like body of fridge, cooler, AC, and loads of equipments which we use in our kitchens are made up of the iron articles. Sometimes we also save it from rusting by doing some other process, that is called galvanization. This is the same process. The other metals in molten state get ride on iron articles, and it also saves the iron body from come in contact with the air and water. So the iron articles are now saved from the rusting. I feel a few idea about the rusting now can be obtained from this. If you like this video, subscribe by pressing the bell button, and also give me the comment, and also select the topics about which you want to have some information. In my next video, I shall try my best to give you knowledge about the topic selected by you in brief, and definitely it will reach you first. Thank you.